Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2011 Ford Escape and I will show you which fuses to check in case your four-wheel drive is not working. This video will apply to Ford Escapes made from 2008 all the way up to 2012. It is always a good idea first to check the fuses, and then if fuses prove to be good, then you can start doing deeper diagnostics and take the vehicle to a mechanical shop. But this is something you can do yourself, and if you're lucky, this will fix your problem. Now both fuses you want to check will be located in a small fuse box on the passenger side of the cabin, just next to passenger's left foot under this cover. To remove this cover, you just want to pull it towards yourself, and now you will get access to the second cover, which is the actual fuse box cover. Now to remove this one, you will have two black tabs, one here on the bottom and one here on the top. So you just want to use your both fingers to wiggle this cover off. Okay, so on the cover you will have a small fuse diagram which can be useful, and on the back side of this cover you will have a small white fuse puller which can be used to remove and check any of the fuses. First fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number 11, which is a red 10 amp fuse located right here. So this is a fuse responsible for power to the four-wheel drive system. And the second fuse worth checking, it's fuse number 35, which is 10 amp red fuse located up here. So you want to check those two fuses. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.